Hello, and welcome to How to Enter the Sale of a Device to Seniors for Destiny Resource Manager levels, IT staff, library clerks, building secretaries, and Destiny administrators. First thing, go to your Google Drive and locate the purchased device barcode spreadsheet, which is currently blank. And we're just going to go ahead and keep that in a tab. In another tab, we're going to have you go to Destiny. And in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to click Login. You'll be signing in with Google. I need to sign in with my admin credentials. You'll want to make sure that if you're not already, that you are on Resource View and that we go over here to Circulation. And for this, we're going to be checking in items. You're going to scan the device barcode and click Go. For this dialog box, it asks if the cord was included. If the cord was included, say yes. The next thing we'll need to do is make sure that the person who's standing there handing you the device is indeed the person to whom it is checked out. Before continuing, I want to make sure that I copy this barcode. We're going to need it at the end, so I'm just going to highlight it and copy it. I will show you at the end where we're going to paste it. It's going to go into that spreadsheet we looked at before. Now we're going to look to the right, and we're going to say Create Fine. We need to change the reason to Purchase Device. It will fill in the amount for you of $25. We need to change the amount paid to the $25. And it's really important that we include this note. The fine note is going to include the check number and the name of the person on the check. And please note, we cannot accept cash. Bank checks are certainly fine. At this point, and click Save. And at this point, what I'm going to do is come over here to our spreadsheet, and I'm just going to paste in that barcode so that at the end, we are going to update the condition of these devices in Destiny and mark them as retired. The last thing that you will be doing, I'm going to bring up an image here, is you need to enter the check number and the amount on the deposit processed form. The form has two sets of grouped columns, and in the first column is where you'll mark the check number and the name, and then in the second column will be the amount. At that point, the student is free to go.